Hi everyone, welcome to Salt Kitchen. If you are new here, you can like and subscribe. Click on the bell to get all notifications. Today I make this delicious beef soup with veggies and red chile. We call caldo de res con verduras and chile rojo. This delicious soup is traditional in the Mexican food. It's perfect for winter time. Let's make it. I had 3.5 pounds beef. Some piece is the oxtail and neck beef. For cook the beef, here is half onion and 5 cloves of garlic. I have 6 chile guajillo. Remove all the seed. And 6 chiles Puya. The same too, remove all the seed. And 1 chile Ancho. 3 chiles de Arbol. Half cabbage. 1 corn. 1 squash. 2 zucchinis. 3 carrots and 1 red potato. I have green beans, 230 grams, 1 bunch of cilantro, and 4 cloves of the garlic, black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon, and half teaspoon thyme, 1/4 onion. I wash the beef. Some people don't like to wash, but I like to wash the beef. It's up to you, wash or not. I have 2.5 liters of water. I put on fire. Boil the water 5 minutes in low heat. Now I wanna put the beef. Put the onion, half onion. The 5 garlic. Leave it 5 minutes on low heat. Now remove the white foam from the surface. Leave it 1.5 hours in medium heat. I want to put 1 tablespoon of salt. Boiling the water. On medium heat. Add the chiles guajillos, the chile anchos, chiles puyas, and the chiles de arbol. And cover and leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn off the stove and leave it for 10 minutes. Cut the cabbage in a small piece. Wanna cut the zucchinis. Cut the corn in a small piece. Remove the skin, the carrots. Cut the carrot in a small piece. Remove the skin, the squash. And cut in a small piece. The potato is clean already. I want to cut in a small piece. I not remove the skin. I want to leave like that. I put on the water because if not put the water, the potato become the color the color like a dark brown. So leave here in the water. Clean the green beans. And I wanna cut in a small piece. After 1 or 30 minutes, the beef is soft. Now add the corns. And carrots. Add the green beans. Add 2 cups hot water and add the potato. I remove all the water. And cover. Leave for 12 minutes on medium heat. Now add all the chiles on the blender. Onion. Add the water. This is the 1 cup of water. Add the black pepper, thyme, and the clove garlic. Now the salsa is ready. On the pan, add 2 tablespoons oil, vegetable oil. Now the oil is hot. Add the salsa. Add half cup of water. After 12 minutes, add the squash. After 12 minutes, the salsa is ready. It smells so good. After 4 minutes, cook the chayote. Now, add the salsa. Add the cabbage. Add the cilantro. Add the zucchini. Leave it for 12 minutes on medium heat. After 12 minutes, this delicious soup is ready. This is perfect for the winter times. Turn off the heat. Now we can eat our delicious soup.